Guys, it's after work, and we are going to be replacing those nasty ass floor mats. So I know some of you guys got some nasty ass interiors, myself included. I don't even want to know what stain that is. That's disgusting. And I'm wearing holes in my mat. So, yeah. Like I said, I know you guys got some nasty ass interiors. $60 for these floor mats. Pick them up. All right. I'm thinking today we do this unboxing for the interior. Now, what we have, dang, is some cheap, I wouldn't say cheap, but it's under $100. I'm trying to keep this. You know what I'm saying? Under $100, we got some floor mats. So, off rip, kind of thin, but we got rears and we have the driver's side, which it comes with the little holes. A little thin, but mine are super beat up and filthy. And yeah, I'm just wondering if they pop, because I don't know if they're gonna pop in. So I'm gonna test fit these. Let's see what we're working with here. Because the other ones you don't really need, ooh, Jesus. You don't really need to pop them. But these, they do not pop into place. So just an FYI, if you buy these, they do not pop into place. They fit in the hole, but they are not popping in. But I think I'm still gonna run them. Mine are wearing holes in them. So, why not? We'll see what they look like with the interior cleaned up. All right, so what I'm going to be using is like a leather detailer. And then, oh my God, exposed. Holy. Gotta toss all that. It's disgusting. I live like an animal. You could just say it. You could just say it. I like this stuff because it is a protectant as well. So, yeah. All right, I didn't have my audio when I was putting the mats in, but all I basically said was $60 for floor mats and yeah, here's what we got. For the price that these were, I honestly cannot complain. I love the checkered, the gray matches, the Recaros, and oh, I enjoy them. For 60 bucks, mine were ripped, and I swear to God, they were fossilized. They were definitely fossilized. I think they add a nice little flair to the car. I enjoy them. I really do. And I think they look damn good. Like I said, the only downside to these things is they don't clip, but they fit perfect. They're not clipping in, but they fit perfect. So take that with a grain of salt. And longevity, I don't know. They're a bit thin, but what can you do? For 60 bucks, you know, I can't complain too much on these, honestly. 60 bucks. But yeah, just throw some mats in the car. Yeah, I don't know what else to do with this thing. Besides small little interior mods, you know, if someone wants to sponsor the car, that would be cool too. But I think the biggest thing is, yeah, I'm just gonna sit on it and enjoy it and just kind of chill, because it's kind of where I want it to be. I think I'm gonna buy a engine dress up kit. I gotta just do some maintenance on it, so might just get some bolt engine dress up kits, clean the engine bay a little bit. But other than that, the car's good. If you guys have any suggestions or want to see anything, mostly interior wise, let me know. But until then, peace.